What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to do a comparison between the MacBook Pro from like 2017 2018 versus the MacBook Air M2 chip laptop, and then we're going to also go ahead and battle it out with the latest MacBook Pro M4 Pro. What we're going to test out for this video is the export times. I'm not much of a spec kind of guy, but this is the best kind of way to interpret that in a more real life scenario where you are done with the edit and you are about to export, but you want to know how fast this project is going to take. And well, I'm gonna set that example for you guys today in this video. I wanted to do a more, I guess, tailored version of this video, but since I'm exporting the video right now on the 2017 MacBook Pro, I'm gonna show you just live of what it's looking like, and it's not looking too good. So I started this export about maybe 20 minutes ago, and it said in the beginning that it was going to take over 2 hours. Right now it's just about at 33 minutes left. MacBook 2017. That's what this thing looks like right now. So this video is about 21 minutes long. So I'm putting it through its paces right now, and I'm exporting a Premiere XML file. So I'm just going to do the same thing with the MacBook Air M2 and the MacBook Pro M4 Pro, just to see what it will do. Nope, not yet. So it's still not done yet. Got about 10 minutes left on the docket, and probably got about 10 minutes to clean this kitchen up. I'm gonna do that and we're gonna check back. Alright, there you have it. It is completed in 1 hour and 3 minutes and 40 seconds. That took a long time. Now let's go ahead and toss this onto the M2 MacBook Air. Here's one thing that I didn't show you guys in the beginning, but I'm showing you guys now. These are going to be the settings for the export. So it's going to be MP4 H.265. I'm going to change that there, and then we're going to keep everything else on the screen. Okay, let's go ahead and add it to the queue. I'm using DaVinci Resolve for all of this video editing, but let's go ahead and render and let's see what happens. Right now, currently it says that it's going to take 12 minutes, 10 minutes to render these XML files out. Okay, that's 12 minutes versus over 2 hours. Okay. Alright, well, let's just see how it turns out to be, and I'll get back to you guys in just a little bit. Alright, about 3 minutes left on the docket here. Okay, so this is completed in 12 minutes and 48 seconds. So this is on the M2 MacBook Air. Okay, now let's do the last test and move on over to this guy right over here. And let's see how well and how quickly it can export some of these XML files. Okay, so I have a adapter cable that goes to the monitor over here, and that is going to be the same settings pretty much. 265 XML file top. There we go. QuickTime, MP4, H.265, and everything kind of stays the same. Example piece, we're going to hit the add to queue, and let's go over and press the render all button. This is about 14 minutes, but we'll determine whether or not that is true. Okay, it is done, and it is done in 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Wow. And I was just about to play some music and wait for export to finish up, but I didn't even have enough time to search for a video. Okay, you guys, so all in all, which would you choose? Would you choose the 1 hour plus export computer? Would you choose the M2 MacBook Air, which is about 12 minutes or so, I think it was? I'll put up the actual time on the screen. Or would you choose the MacBook Pro M4? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you would choose. I'm definitely not choosing the 1 hour and some odd change over there. No way. That is way too much time where I could be exporting and editing other videos in the meanwhile. Or would you choose something that's a little bit more inexpensive that still gets the job done? This is the base model too. This is nothing fancy. This is just the base model M2, which is about 12 minutes for export time versus 7 minutes. So that's going to end today's little video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and got some insight behind what these computers can do. Just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer those questions as best as possible. Again, I'm not too much of a spec guy, but this is the best kind of way that I can relate to those specifications in real life situations. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.